Hola. Is anyone familiar with this life-threatening bird? Maybe now you'll start to see him more often, as this is currently the highest-grossing language learning app called Duolingo, and it just went public last July 28th. Anyways, what's the catch? Duolingo is an app with courses consisting of over 40 different languages. With over 500 million downloads, it has already garnered 400 million active users a month, and the majority of its revenue streams come from premium subscriptions, advertising sales, and language proficiency certification tests. From time to time, figures are doubling up, and the popularity of this Rosetta Stone meets Angry Birds app is booming. Under the DUOL ticker on NASDAQ, while headlines suggest that this early tech growing stock is just driving the hype, surely this ain't all. Will this bird fly, or will Colonel Sanders come in and fry this chicken? I'm just kidding, guys. Perhaps this is the time to dig a little deeper. Please note that we are not financial advisors, and this is not financial advice. We strongly recommend that you do your own due diligence. Before all else, let's start quickly with the basics. Duolingo was officially launched way back in 2012. This company has what we call the freemium business model, where companies provide services at no cost whatsoever to the customer, just like free Spotify, until the ads annoy the shit out of you and you end up getting a paid subscription. The company is dependent on the mobile app store, but on top of it, CEO Louis Ahn said that the word-of-mouth approach has been their primary source of growth. No marketing, no anything else. Maybe this is where we got the saying, the little birdie told me. Duolingo ranks among the top education-related apps you'll see in the Apple and Google Play Store, fulfilling their ambitions of gamifying language education, and it doesn't stop there, as it continues to gain lots and lots of users on these platforms, especially in this virtual world. Let's give way to the next big thing. This company's figures have been piling up since day one. Year-over-year growth has been looking really good, and the prospectus filed with the SEC disclosed 129% growth since last year. But just to spill the tea, it also hit rock bottom for the past years, realizing net losses which amounted to $13.5 million in the first quarter of the year. But now let's answer the question, why? If we have provided you with any value whatsoever, please hit that like and subscribe button for more weekly content, and help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers for the month of August. We're currently around 420, so every subscriber definitely counts. Alright, the company is said to be focusing on engineering, product development, and design. Besides, the company leads the race with their low cost of revenues, causing healthy gross profit margins. Now, how healthy is healthy? 45% of their total revenue was spent in research and development in 2019, while it's reduced to 33% last year. Plus, data suggests that they're going to pay for more user retention in the near future, and this would allow them to cut off 15% of the standard payment to Apple and Google. And let's wrap this thing up with the fact that the company, despite incurring these losses, doubled its revenue from the previous year, and it's looking like it will continue to grow. And just this 28th, Duolingo landed beyond their target, accumulating almost $5 billion in market capitalization, which was led by underwriters Goldman Sachs and Allen Incorporation. Before that, CEO Louis von Ahn and Severin Hacker owned the second to the highest percentage of Duolingo's shares, both owning 12.2%, while New View Capital Fund leads the rankings, and Union Square, Capital G, Kleiner Perkins also belong to the same squad, who make up $2.4 billion in valuation of this popular app. Even after the IPO, the company's executives still hold a significant number of shares, which indicates they still have a lot of skin in the game, and that they are looking forward to long-term growth. What's typically not a good sign is when executives start selling off their shares heavily. Trevor Milton. This was specifically highlighted in their prospectus, where the net proceeds of the offerings were said to be designated for capital preservation investments. So, with all these pieces of information, do you think Duolingo is worth the buy or just a pass? Comment down below what you think. Best comment gets pinned. And guys, if you got any value from this whatsoever, please hit that like and subscribe button and help us hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers for the month of August. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace.